Arch Linux versus Manjaro. Which Linux distribution is better? Choosing the right Linux distro can transform your computing experience without unnecessary complexity. Arch offers a minimalist, hands-on approach, while Manjaro provides user-friendly accessibility and stability. Arch Linux and Manjaro are closely related but serve different user needs. Arch is a lightweight DI distribution focused on customization and control. Manjaro builds on Arch's foundation, adding pre-configured tools and a smoother experience for easier setup and maintenance. Arch Linux is a minimalist, rolling release distribution designed for users who want full control over their system. It provides a base system without pre-installed software, allowing users to build their environment from the ground up. Installation requires manual configuration, including partitioning, package selection, and system setup, which encourages learning and customization. Arch uses the Pacman Package Manager and offers access to the Arch User Repository, RUR, a vast collection of community-maintained packages. Its rolling release model ensures users always have the latest software, but this can sometimes introduce instability. Arch's strengths lie in its flexibility, transparency, and extensive documentation through the Arch Wiki, making it ideal for experienced Linux users or those eager to learn deeply about their system. However, its steep learning curve and hands-on maintenance may not suit beginners or users seeking a plug-and-play experience. Overall, Arch Linux is perfect for users who prioritize customization and control over convenience. Manjaro is a user-friendly Linux distribution based on Arch Linux, designed to simplify the Arch experience without sacrificing its power. It comes with a graphical installer, pre-configured desktop environments, and hardware detection tools, making setup straightforward. Manjaro uses the same Pacman Package Manager and supports the Arch User Repository, but it adds its own stable software repositories with tested updates to enhance reliability. This approach reduces the risk of system breakage common in pure Arch's rolling releases. Manjaro also provides graphical tools for managing kernels, drivers, and system settings, which lowers the barrier to entry for users unfamiliar with command line configuration. Its balance of up-to-date software and stability makes it suitable for both newcomers and intermediate users who want an Arch-based system with less manual maintenance. While Manjaro offers less customization during installation compared to Arch, it still allows advanced users to tweak their system extensively. In summary, Manjaro is ideal for users seeking a powerful yet accessible Arch experience with enhanced stability and convenience. Arch Linux and Manjaro share the same core but differ in setup and maintenance. Arch is perfect for users who want to build their system from scratch, offering maximum customization and the latest software but requiring manual installation and ongoing management. It suits those comfortable with Linux internals and command line tools. Manjaro, on the other hand, provides an easy entry point with automated installation, pre-configured environments, and tested updates, reducing the risk of system instability. For daily use, Manjaro offers a smoother experience, especially on diverse hardware, thanks to its automatic driver management. However, this convenience comes with slightly delayed updates compared to Arch's bleeding edge. Choosing between them depends on whether you prefer full control and learning with Arch or a ready-to-use, stable system with Manjaro. Choose Arch Linux if you value complete control, want to customize every aspect, and are comfortable with manual installation and system maintenance. Opt for Manjaro if you want the power of Arch with easier installation, stable updates, and user-friendly tools. It's the best choice for those seeking an accessible yet flexible Linux experience without sacrificing performance or software